It.
Nice. That was an easy one for you, huh? Here, I'll put them over there. 2. Hey, 1 and 2. I got a 2 also. I landed on F. Up. Top. Okay, your turn.
Do you know who this guy is?
I don't know.
The Tin Man.
Oh, cool.
Down to spin there.
2 again?
1, 2.
You don't get a drive yet.
Nope, because I don't see what the sign like these.
So what letter did you land on?
Oh, am I going backwards?
Mm-mm.
Am I going that way?
No, you're going the right way. You're right there. You landed on what?
H.
And what sound does it make? Very good. Now pick up a card.
B. Bob.
Oh, it was upside down. With a P.
Pop.
Yeah! You recording this?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, my turn. 2! What the heck? Alright, G-H. Jet. Jet. Okay, your turn.
Hey.
Finally, a different one.
1, 2.
No, you just drive down the road. That's 1.
2, 3.
What letter is it?
K.
What sound does a K make?
Cat.
Good.
Men.
Yeah.
Men.
What's men?
Like there's lots of people,
Oh.
or like the Tin Man.
Yeah. Men means lots of man, huh? Men.
Yeah, like if there was lots of Tin Mans.
Mm-hmm. It'd be 10 men. Right?
Yeah.
And I say, you and Liam are my little men. Yeah. Okay, my turn.